I have a General Electric dehumidifier less than a year old. The model number is Capicity 50 pints, 115 volts. The light came on telling me to clean the filter and I did, then it said to reset after cleaning the filter and I don't know how. I've unplugged it and it starts right up perfectly, but after a minute or so it just goes off and will not continue. Please give me the directions on how to reset.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. If the unit shuts off after a minute, it means the unit is going into auto shutoff mode. That means that it thinks the water bucket is either full of water and you need to remove it and dump the water out, or you need to ensure that the bucket is securely installed into the humidifier. If both of those things check good, then you have a fail sensor that doesn't think the bucket is in place properly or the bucket is full of water and it's not, so you'd need a technician to come out and replace the faulty part. As for how to reset the dehumidifier after cleaning the filter, you just need to press and hold the filter timer button for a few seconds until the clean filter light is off.
It is running, but it will only show 40% on the humidity reading. I try to change it but it goes back to that. It is blowing cold air, and when I removed the bucket to see if it had any water in it, it continued to run. I have never had it do that before. There was a little water in it. It has been running for around 2 hours now.
It sounds like your control board itself might just be going back. You can try to unplug the unit for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset, but otherwise the board sounds like it would need to be replaced.
Is it worth it or should I just purchase another? How long are these supposed to last? Seems like they only last about a year or less.
They should last a few years normally, maybe 3 to 4 years on average is what I find. But if it's less than a year old, call GE and it should be under warranty. If it's over a year old and you need a control board, I'd replace the entire unit instead of trying to repair it.
I don't believe I have the receipt anymore. I purchased it at Sam's. What number do I call?
Their number is I believe.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.